Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we going today?
To the airplane.
We're going to the airplane. Where are we going on the airplane? Where is this gonna be? Are we going to Florida? Where are we going?
To Florida.
Florida. Yeah, you excited?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go.
Right, I gotta eat my food first.
Okay, eat your food first. Hey guys, so like AJ said in the last clip, we are going to Florida.
Yes, that's what I was saying.
That is what you were saying. So we're going to Florida. He's really excited. It's his first time on the airplane. He's been asking me like, Mommy, are we going on the airplane soon? Mommy, are we going on the airplane soon? Hold on, Booby. So it's just really nice that the date is finally here and we're going on vacation. I'm really excited because it's our first vacation together as a family. We're going with my family from church, and they go every year. They get this like huge house, like 10-12 bedroom house with like the pool, jacuzzi. There's a water park on the resort. It's like amazing. People keep telling him he's going to Disney World, and I don't want that in his head because we're not going to the other theme parks when he's a little older, when he can like really remember it and everything. And to be honest, I didn't have it like that to be hopping over all the different theme parks this year. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. It's 10:30. We'll be leaving at about 12:30. Our flight doesn't start boarding until like 1:50, and we're really close to the airport. And I'm really excited too because it was raining so hard this morning. Like I thought our flight was gonna be canceled, but it was raining really bad earlier, and I thought they were gonna cancel the flight. And I'm so glad they didn't. We didn't get any notification about that, and it stopped raining completely. So hopefully it stays that way. Show them your shirt.
Yeah, we did got get on the airplane.
Who's on your shirt?
Mickey Mouse.
Yes, Mickey Mouse. We're on the airplane. You excited?
Yes.
You saw the pilot?
Yeah.
You saw them, the people who are gonna drive the plane. They're gonna drive us to where we're going. Yay!
There's 2 airplanes there.
You see 2 airplanes there?
Yes. There's 1 airplane with wheels.
Hey guys, so we made it to Florida. We just finished picking up the rentals. I'm in my rental now. I'm waiting for the rest of them to come. Our flight was delayed by like 5 hours. Like no lie, we got on the plane. Like the last footage you saw, we were on the plane, we're ready to go, and then they couldn't go because of the storm that was coming up the East Coast. So we were sitting there for like 3 hours. 3 hours. Like I watched 2 movies. AJ was watching a couple movies. They ended up bringing us some snacks and stuff, and then we ended up having to get off the plane because the storm had passed, but then they didn't have flight attendants for the flight. So we had to wait for them to get like 4 new flight attendants before we could go. So our original flight was 2:30, and we ended up actually leaving. We got on the plane at like 7:30. We got on the plane at 7:30 and didn't actually pull out until 8 something. And we landed at 11. It's past midnight because we had to wait for the rental cars. So yeah, I'm just waiting for them so that we could get out of here. So excited. AJ is freaking out right now. So I'll vlog the house when we get there.
Oh, that's why we have to walk.
No, we didn't, Jill. We walked 1 block. Remember, our house was on the corner, the second corner. We walked to the end and then down the block. Why it look like we in the same house, Tay Buns? Oh.
You know, Bob the whole video.
So this is the house that we're going to. Look how nice it was. Oh, look at the house. Oh my gosh. Look inside. Hi, Boo. He's tired. He just woke up. What's in here? Hey, Tay.
Hi.
Look at it. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Look. Do you like it, Boopy? He's so tired. Oh my gosh. Let's look upstairs. Come on, Bobby. Oh, this is nice. Oh my gosh. Oh. Another bathroom.
Brian, what are you about? Huh?
Oh my goodness. Like, I don't even know where I am right now. It's just so many entrances. I just went like all the way around.
Amari, y'all come this way.
Oh, that's Stolly's.
No, slow down. Amari, y'all come this way.
Oh my gosh. The theater room. Brenda said eat. What? He said eat. Ooh, hey Amari. I like this room.
Thank you.
BB. They got Star Wars. What y'all got?
We got Mickey Mouse again.
Ooh.
And look, me and Lily gonna sleep on the top, and Jamaica gonna sleep above because she.
Right here? Oh, here.
Which room is mine?
Where's Jay staying? We still have another room. Oh. You passed Star Wars, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the bathroom.
Star Wars is me?
Yeah, here, girl.
Oh, okay. The boys went in there thinking it was...
No, I told you all the bunk beds.
Come here.
Oh, that's where the girls are staying? 'Cause
Yeah.
I thought they were staying in Minnie Mouse.
That's Mickey Mouse. Right there, Mickey Mouse is your bunk bed.
Thank you. Yes, you do.
Somebody's sleepy. Somebody's sleepy. Yeah, I think it's time for bed. Huh? You want to go downstairs? Okay. Let's just show them our room. Okay, so we ended up getting the Star Wars room, but somebody is not liking it right now. You just sleepy, right? Yeah. You want to sleep with mommy? Okay, let's go downstairs. Okay, come on. All right, let's take him downstairs. Let's make him happy. So yeah, I got a video outside too. Aunt Christine said I got a video outside. Baby!
You okay? You know what? And they changed the thermostat.
I don't know what's wrong with him.
Just stop this. Your light not working either. I know.
Oh!
I'm gonna have to. So she got
Well,
away.
her light not working, but look at that.
The bulbs over there. I mean, the lamp. Open the bathroom.
Are the lamps working?
Yeah.
Oh! I need to take a bath in here.
The girls stay Aisha, come here. But look. It's her toilet.
Wait, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. All right, Queen. Yes.
But the fact that this happens, come here, please.
Yeah, I'm not going to other ghosts outside.
Come on, AJ.
In the whole compound? In the house. No,
I'm not smoking.
Look at the pool, boo. You want to get in the pool?
Nowhere in the whole compound. I got one.
Yeah. It's lit, guys. It's lit. AJ don't want to leave. He's over there trying to take his shoes off. We are going to get in the pool, booby. Come on. You can't get in the pool with your clothes on. Come on. Hey guys, so it is the next day, day one from, yeah, I think the last time I vlogged was yesterday. We just got out the pool. It started raining, like it started pouring, and it was like cold rain. But we were in the pool for like at least an hour and a half. So we were in the pool, all of us, for a little bit, and then we got out. Everybody took a shower, and now all the kids are in the movie room. I just put a movie on for them. Let me show you guys them. Hi! They're watching Despicable Me 3. It was really nice out when we went. Everybody left all their stuff just out there floating. We might go out there again later, but I think we're gonna stick to movie day. So, yeah, today's gonna be a real chill day here. Let me go back upstairs and make sure they're not killing each other. What's the matter, AJ? Girl, I must. Really? We going to the water park! Boy, if you don't put my phone down. We going to the water park! We going to the water park! Hey, go AJ. Go. Good morning! We're going to the water park today. I'm excited. They have a water park on site. It's like really dark in here. Here we go. They have a water park on site here that we are gonna go to. Take all the kiddies to. So we're excited. Hey, give me that. Give me that. Stop. 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 I can't with him. So yeah. So we are going to the water park today. And then me and Brandy are gonna cook dinner for tonight. AJ, stop that. He's being really nasty right now. I can't. AJ, go downstairs. Go downstairs. So I haven't vlogged the last few days because we've just been chilling these last few days, maxing and relaxing. What is this? Just maxing and relaxing for the last few days in the pool, kind of riding around. It's Tuesday already. So now we're actually gonna start doing stuff this week. So I should be vlogging a little bit more. Maybe, I don't know. We're having a lot of fun though. Like we haven't done much, but we're having a lot of fun, just kind of chilling poolside. That way is to the gym and the movie theater. Yeah. Thank you, Mira.
You're welcome. Follow me on Instagram. It's TYAM10. Let's get it.
Hi.
AM_TY10. Qué bueno que me compré la araña de ajo.
Oh man.
Where the lazy boy river they were talking about?
Over there.
I just said we never been here before.
This is just the one.
Go ahead. Let them see you go through. That you're a big boy. You want mommy to go through again? Yeah. All right, give me a second. I just went through this thing like 4 times, like a big kid just now, and my eyes is burning. The chlorine in this water is crazy. And he don't want to go through by himself right now, and I'm just like, I need my eyes to settle a little bit. But It seems like he's having a good time even just sitting right there. Brandy and Brandon over there. In the lazy river soon. Oh my gosh, my eyes. They put a lot of chlorine in this water. It's finally settling a little bit. Hey, you're not going back in the water?
Can you help me?
Okay, I'll help you. I'm coming right now.
This way. Where you going? The thing is that way, baby. Yes, this way. Wait, I got you on my leg. I'm burning. You see?
You know she recording you, right?
You should have told him. We're going to Fun Spot today. We're going to take the kids to the amusement park and let them ride some rides.
I remember. And then everybody put their hands in the food.
What?
Go look around. You go to the left. Go to the left.
Okay, wait a minute. I gotta get my little thing ready here. Get my stuff ready. Then we'll get you. Alright, armband. Alright, this is how this works. You can show me your armband. I do a machine on it, then you get to come in. Alright? Put this one right there. Are they with you down there down there?
Yeah, they're with me.
If they stayed together, there's only three
I
of us
know.
working. This thing to fly up in the air, you gotta pull this back. You gotta put both hands on it. Pull it really tight, really tight. Oh, as tight as you can. The harder you pull it back, the higher it's gonna go, okay? Pull it tight. All right, here you go.
You ready? Go, AJ. Go, AJ. Woo! Yay! Jay and I are gonna get on the slingshot. I'm so excited. Let me see if you can see it. You can't even see it. They didn't go yet, but.
Why you in it? Oh, he was the one with the...
AJ! Oh my gosh. Look what the kids just found. I don't know if y'all see it.
It's a crocodile.
It's a crocodile. I don't know. Can y'all see it? Crocodile, alligator. I don't know. Things you see in Florida, man. I know I have to get on with AJ. I have to get on with you, booby. Come. We're getting on the ride. I just have to get on with you. Okay, get on this ride. My baby's a little daredevil. So he's gonna be real upset when he finds out there's some rides he can't get on even with me.